Karan,
Please don't
Karan,
take a lecture.
you were on that panel, if I'm not wrong, when we were discussing the government's proposal to get in the IAF to, transport question papers. And I remember saying very clearly that if the system can't handle a basic exercise as this, then let the minister resign, let a lieutenant general run the department. This has become a joke. But now, look at this, the commentary from the opposition. They say Modi and BJP are responsible for defection. If people are losing their life, Modi ne marwa diya. When I ask this question of Vivek Srivastava, Ashwini ji, they say yes, the Prime Minister must take onus. Don't go by the words.
So, Pranesh, I think it's clear to everyone that we have a failed opposition in this country. This opposition today is reduced to political margins where they've been rejected time and again by the people of this country across India. I mean, ये Vivek Srivastava is having a meltdown as usual. Every day he has a meltdown. इनको आप डफली दे दो, माइक दे दो, तब I think he can have this catharsis. As far as Monojit Mandal, he said the cockroaches are coming out. The Cockroach Janata Party, barely 1,000 people assembled there in Jantar Mantar. They also could not survive the heat and they were sent back packing after 2 hours. In fact, they themselves left on their own. So that is the kind of revolt we had. It's unfortunate that we have an opposition in this country, Pranesh, that has zero credibility, and it's not good to have a monopoly. I say this again, not good to have a monopoly in business, not good to have a monopoly in politics also. But is it the BJP's fault? Should the BJP now start propping up opposition? The opposition is so directionless. Just now we heard, they were saying Modi ne marwa diya farm suicides को लेके. आपको पता है प्रणेश, सबसे ज्यादा steep rise in farmer suicides has been in Karnataka in the last 3 years. Sanju ji rightly pointed out, 3,800 plus cases. This is a 23% increase. And Jan Nayak Rahul Gandhi doesn't even visit there. He has the gall, the temerity to raise the issue of farmer suicides and not pass a single statement or express any sort of sensitivity towards so many who've died there in Karnataka. That is the insensitive and callous opposition we have today. And it's a very serious issue, Pranesh. You raised it while you spoke in your monologue. Where do the people go now? Except for the BJP, we have no other option. I mean, do we go to AAP, which has failed miserably and doubled the debt in Punjab, failed miserably in Delhi, left people dying because of basic civic issues? Do we go to Kerala, where Vivek Srivastava had the guts to talk about marwa diya? In Kerala, we had farmer suicides in the last 5 years. Kerala, the economy had gone down the drain. Or do we go to Karnataka, which has had its worst numbers? Where do the people go? This is a worthless opposition that can only resort to anarchy now because they've lost their sense of purpose and direction.
Now to this, Ashwini ji say, he will say, why are you picking on words? आप sentiment को address कीजिए.
No, give me 30 seconds. Let me respond, Pranesh.
बोलिए सर, बोलिए.
करण वर्मा जी पढ़ के नहीं आते, क्योंकि कल जो है ये IIT और NITs को प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट बोल रहे थे और आज इनके हिसाब से इनको नहीं पता द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ फार्मर सुसाइड्स आर इन महाराष्ट्र एंड नॉट कर्नाटका एंड विच इज मोर देन 100%, डबल ऑफ कर्नाटका. सो इनको शायद पता नहीं डेटा कहां से मिलता है और ये भी व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ के आते हैं. He need to really introspect and see that. And moreover, it is not about the death of individual people. It is also about the death of democracy, where elections are hijacked.
Death of democracy? Really? Ashwini ji, when you say all these things, do you realize what you're doing? 1 minute, listen to me. Calm down first of all. Calm down first of all. Now, you can question Karan's degree, pedigree, etc., etc. And Karan will respond to that. But tell me something, Rahul Gandhi has attended 3 swearing, सुन लीजिए सर, ऐसे मत कीजिए. 3 swearing in event वो attend कर चुके हैं. वो क्या है? Death of democracy था. What was he doing at those events? Tamil Nadu, when the Congress dumped the DMK and joined the TVK, did Modi ask Congress to do this? Was that death of democracy or what was it? Celebration of, what? Tell me.
Pranesh, so you are telling that अगर कहीं कुछ थोड़ा बहुत बचा हुआ है डेमोक्रेटिक वैल्यूज,
बट ऐसा कैसे है कि थोड़ा बहुत वहीं बचा हुआ है जहां पे आप लोग हैं?
डेमोक्रेसी एट इवन वन सिंगल प्लेस. Pranesh, there's a famous proverb in law injustice anywhere is threat to justice everywhere. Same applies for democracy also. If at any one place democracy is being challenged, democracy is being questioned, and democracy is being under threat, then it is the cumulative responsibility of the entire country to ensure that doesn't
सर
happen.
और भी अश्विनी जी और भी लीगल मैक्सिम्स हैं, मैं अभी बोलूंगा तो फिर आप और एम्बैरेस हो जाएंगे. और भी है. कोई लीगल मैक्सिम ये नहीं कहता एनी इंडिविजुअल कैन प्रोनाउंस द अदर एज टेररिस्ट. योर लीडर हैज डन दैट. नाउ यू नो द नेम्स एंड द डिटेल्स. आप भूल गए वो लीगल मैक्सिम क्या है? एवरीवन इज प्रिज्यूम्ड इनोसेंट टिल प्रोवन गिल्टी. राहुल गांधी, 1 minute, राहुल गांधी प्रोनाउंस्ड साध्वी प्रज्ञा एज टेररिस्ट. भूल गए आप लीगल मैक्सिम? Now you're talking about death of democracy, etc. But Karan, because Ashwini ji questioned your credentials and the data, you respond. Sanju Verma, I'm coming to you after this.
Yeah. So besides the legal maxim, Pranesh, there is also a maxim that mediocrity at the top ensures mediocrity everywhere. तो जब राहुल गांधी को देखता हूं और अश्विनी जी को देखता हूं तो बिल्कुल सही समझ में आ जाता है. I said the steepest rise in suicides. I never said it is number one. The rise, delta होता है. अश्विनी जी थोड़ा पढ़ना लिखना आपको चाहिए. सबसे बड़ा rise of 23% हुआ है कर्नाटका में. rise बोला मैंने. और कल मैंने बोला था प्राइवेट कंपनीज can't be dictated terms to increase, not private institutes. All right? तो आप पढ़ते लिखते ना राहुल गांधी है ना ये. और दूसरी बात प्रनेश, isn't it a fact that Congress party has not been elected anywhere since 2011 in any state that they've ever won? Why is it that you are always rejected by the people? हर जगह मुंह की खाते हो, उसके बाद भी नहीं इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करते हो. एक जगह आप दोबारा नहीं इलेक्ट हो पाए. And in every place you have fissures, whether it is Gehlot versus Pilot, whether it is Siddaramaiah versus DK Shiv Kumar. Why is it? Is Modi ji responsible for all of this? कभी अपने अंदर भी झांक के देख लिया करो अश्विनी.